It's finally Saturday, the beginning of the weekend. Let's begin. Unfortunately, I woke up this morning to make coffee, and turns out I was out of coffee, so I ended up making what I call the poverty coffee. So sorry if any of you guys drink it, but that Nescafe coffee, it's just not the same. But it gets the job done, and I was supposed to be maybe meeting somebody for lunch, but unfortunately, I don't have a car, which we'll get to later. But that also reminds me, I can't really drive to the gym then, so probably gonna have to take the good old Shoelace Express.
Come to decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time.
So the good thing about walking to the gym is that normally I would go for walks to get my steps up, but since I don't have a car right now and I have to go to the gym anyways, this kind of is like hitting two birds with one stone, getting my steps in and I'm going to the gym. So what happened, going back to what happened in my car, the catalytic converter went out on Friday, so I left it at the shop. The part got there late Friday, and so I left it Saturday and Sunday so I could work on it early Monday. But I kind of forgot that I might need to go places, so for now we walking. But anyways, today I have a Metcon on the Embrace the Suck workout, and honestly I haven't been able to do push-ups or pull-ups properly. Like honestly, I just go down the bottom and I can't push myself back up, or my elbows flare out really bad. It's like I have no stability on that whole right side with this injury thing, whatever it is. I think it's a strain in my neck. So for now I can kind of do one, like I can do maybe two, but earlier in the week I couldn't even do one push-up. So I think I'm just gonna keep it easy, and since I'm seeing a little bit of progression, I'm just gonna take it easy and maybe do some light arm work or another easy workout. By the way, these are new camera settings, so hopefully you guys are liking the way everything is looking in camera right now. Shout out to my boy Robby for making that video. If any of you guys have a Sony a6500 camera and you're looking for new camera settings, go and check that out. Hey.
Indica Badu.
Oh, Indica Badu.
Cramp. I got cramp.
So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after this injury when I do a pull-up. So Jacob's gonna record me right here, and yeah, just go ahead and start recording. I'm legitimately gonna try to do this the right way. Oh, this is my jam.
Just looks painful.
It just looks painful.
Just looks painful.
Yeah, and I'm legitimately trying too. I don't get it.
Normally you in here busting out like 12.
I know now. Now I can't
you're
even,
just like.
I know it looks terrible. Like you just like watch it. And you just like it hurts my soul.
I couldn't even see your face, but I could feel the pain coming out of your shoulders, just like.
It hurts my soul.
Are you number 5?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you starving?
Yeah.
Love and happiness.
So if you guys didn't know, my little brother plays soccer. And do you like it? Do you want to do basketball?
No.
Do you want to lift weights like me?
Sure.
He's gonna get hella buff. He's actually gonna get buffer than me. He has the genetics to be bigger than I do. And that's why he's super ravenous and like shoveling this food in his stomach. I'm here with the family and we're just enjoying some In-N-Out. I got something a little bit different, so, well, all right, get ready. Double, no spread, add chilies, mustard fried, fries well done, no lettuce, no tomato, and what else did I say? No spread. And I sound super basic when I get it, but it's too good. I don't know what it is about In-N-Out, it always hits the spot. So if you guys have been watching the channel for any amount of time at all, you know that I've been eating the same thing for lunch at work pretty much every single day, and that hasn't changed ever since I've been at this new job. Now what it is overnight oats. Super simple recipe, and I actually get a lot of messages asking exactly how I make these, so I'm gonna run it down with you guys one more time. So 1 cup of oats, and I actually use these glass ones because it just tends to taste better, honestly, for some reason. So 1 cup of oats, you're gonna use 2 servings of a sugar-free, fat-free pudding mix. So in this case, we're using vanilla, so we're gonna make vanilla ones. And then you want to use 1 serving of pure pumpkin right here. You can use anywhere from 1 to, I've seen people use half. I personally like to use half a serving. Adds a lot of fiber, has some vitamin A. And you know, you can't be number 1 until you take care of number 2. Comment down below if you get that joke. Next, this is gonna be second to last ingredient, probably one of the most important parts. You wanna use 1 scoop of protein, and you wanna make sure that it tastes good, because if it tastes like crap, your oats are gonna taste like crap. So I'm gonna use 1 scoop of the new BPN Vanilla Whey right here. And vanilla or chocolate, it's really up to you guys. I like to use vanilla because it's really, what's it called? Versatile. Like I can add whatever to it and then it'll just change the flavor of it. And then next, I actually don't have it. I use about 1 cup of almond milk or less, it depends. You just want to stir it around and see what the consistency looks like. And if it's too thick, add a little bit more almond milk, just a little bit at a time. For some reason, as soon as I turn on the camera, I cannot speak English. A little bit at a time until you get a thick consistency. And I also don't have chocolate chips, which I normally add in here. And let me tell you guys, this is filling as hell, and it is ridiculously good. It tastes like cake batter, honestly, to me, and it makes a good conversation piece, honestly. Whenever I pull these out at work, people ask me what it is, and I go into detail about what it is, and they ask me if it's good, and I say it's hella good. And one last tip before I let you go. I like to use a spoon to mix all of the dry ingredients before I add the almond milk in it, just to prevent any clumping where, like, you know, you got some sugar-free, fat-free pudding mix over here and some protein over here, and everything just doesn't come out and mix well. And I also noticed that I said I use half a serving, I use 1, then 1 more thing. So it is really good. You guys know how I feel about it. If you guys want to pick it up, 10% link in the description. Highly recommend it. Then you go ahead and toss these in the fridge overnight, hence the name, overnight oats, and you have yourself 1 delicious breakfast. I finally got my car back. I totally forgot what it's like to not have a car. It reminds me of my more youthful days when I used to just walk everywhere or ride a skateboard. But finally, I got this car back. I made plans with my friend to go eat, but I offered to pick him up and I didn't have a car. But now we have a car, and if you guys are watching this now, it's Monday. So I'm sorry that there wasn't a video. After the whole thing happened in my car, I thought my camera just crapped out on me for some reason. Like one of the scroll wheels wouldn't let me adjust the aperture, and I thought it would just crapped out on me. But luckily, well, now it's Monday, so I apologize for the later video, but I found kind of a workaround. But now that we have a car, we can go get food. Look who it is! Oh, what's up, baby?
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Let me get in, bro.
Alright, so spicy deluxe meal with the medium fry and a medium sweet tea, and a grilled club sandwich meal with a medium fry and a medium dry Dr. Pepper. So your total will come out to $20.32.
First we vlog, then we eat. Camera eats first, and then we eat.
Come on, I already took a bite.
Guys, look who's back to the channel. My good friend Luis. He's been gone for a very long time, and I miss him. And I totally forgot that he watches my YouTube videos. So now you guys are going to see him all over my channel again. And to be honest, he like pretty much pushed me to keep doing it. I still liked it, but he honestly made it like, you know, you were very critical of my videos, which I like. So I love you, dude, and you're back. And we're going to get down some Chick-fil-A, which I've only had like twice because it's in this really bad city called Stockton. Don't come here, it's bad. People get shot up in here for real. So yeah, got the waffle fries, 2 waffle fries. I don't know what he got. What'd you get, Brad?
The spicy deluxe.
The spicy deluxe. I probably should have got that. And I got grilled chicken club. It's about to go down. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, damn! Damn, girl! Been having a lot of In-N-Out lately, and people say Chick-fil-A is overrated, but Oh, well, we're gonna smash this now, and hopefully you guys see Luis more often, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Everything about Chick-fil-A is amazing.
Thank you.
Everything about it.